Have you ever wondered what secrets the Amazon rainforest holds within its emerald depths? The Amazon, a sprawling expanse of untamed wilderness, is a world brimming with life. It's a place where every leaf, every vine, and every creature contributes to an intricate web of existence. Picture a place teeming with biodiversity, where the chatter of exotic birds mingles with the rustle of countless unseen creatures. This is the Amazon, home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species. The rainforest is also a cradle for indigenous tribes, cultures that have thrived for centuries, their lives intertwined with the land. They are the guardians of ancient knowledge, wisdom passed down through generations, a living testament to the harmony between humans and nature. In the heart of the Amazon, there's one such guide, a beacon of knowledge and courage. Let's meet our guide, a woman who has embraced the wilderness with an open heart and an unquenchable thirst for adventure. Born in a small town on the outskirts of the Amazon, she was always intrigued by the mysteries of the rainforest. Instead of fairy tales, her childhood was filled with stories of the Amazon, told by her grandfather, a seasoned explorer himself. This early fascination turned into a lifelong passion, leading her to become a tour guide, a storyteller of the Amazon's secrets. In the beginning, however, the path wasn't laden with rose petals. The Amazon, with its diverse wildlife and extreme weather conditions, posed challenges that would have deterred the faint-hearted. Imagine trekking through dense undergrowth, under the scorching sun or torrential rain, while keeping an eye out for dangerous wildlife. It's a far cry from a walk in the park. But our guide was made of sterner stuff. She took these challenges head-on, learning to navigate the treacherous terrain, to understand the language of the jungle, and to respect its inhabitants. She studied the behavior of the fauna, the cycles of the flora, the rhythms of the river. Each day was a lesson, each night a test. Her passion for the Amazon was like a flame, shining brightly, even in the face of adversity. She believed that to truly guide others, she had to first guide herself, to immerse herself in the Amazon, to become a part of it. She didn't just survive, she thrived, turning every challenge into an opportunity for growth. Today, she is not just a guide, but a guardian, a teacher, a friend to both the travelers and the rainforest. She is a testament to human resilience and the spirit of exploration, a living example of what it means to coexist with nature. Our guide turned these challenges into victories, mastering the art of survival in the Amazon. A typical day for our guide is far from ordinary. Imagine waking up to the symphony of the Amazon, a chorus of bird calls, the rustling of leaves, the distant roar of a jaguar. This is the morning alarm for our guide, a sweet reminder that a new day has dawned in the heart of the jungle. As the sun creeps over the horizon, casting long shadows across the forest floor, our guide is already up, preparing for the day's expedition. She meticulously checks the gear, maps out the day's route, and brews a pot of strong coffee, a much-needed fuel for the day ahead. The first light of the day brings with it a surge of life. Our guide leads a group of eager explorers into the thick undergrowth, their eyes wide with anticipation. She navigates the labyrinthine jungle with an ease that comes from years of experience. Every twist and turn, every vine and tree is familiar to her. She points out exotic plants with medicinal properties, identifies the calls of unseen creatures, and shares fascinating tales of the forest and its inhabitants. But it's not all a walk in the park. The jungle has its challenges: treacherous terrains, unpredictable weather, and sometimes encounters with its wild residents. But our guide handles them with grace and courage, her passion for the jungle evident in her unwavering commitment to her job. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, our guide and her group return to the camp. The jungle's nocturnal symphony begins to play. The air crackles with the energy of a day well spent. Our guide gathers everyone around a crackling campfire, the flickering flames casting dancing shadows on their faces. She shares stories of her adventures, her voice weaving magic into the night, the jungle providing the perfect backdrop for her tales. This is a day in the life of our guide, a life that is far removed from the humdrum of the city, a life that is as unpredictable as the jungle itself. The challenges are many, but the rewards are immeasurable. Every day is a new adventure, a new story to tell. In the wild Amazon, a tour guide is more than just a leader. They are the custodians of the jungle, our safety net, and our educators. Their role is a multifaceted one, as complex and interwoven as the Amazon itself. Ensuring the safety of the tourists is their prime responsibility. The Amazon is a world filled with beauty and danger in equal parts. Its vastness alone can be overwhelming, but our guides, with their intimate knowledge of the terrain and its inhabitants, navigate these waters with ease and confidence. They are our eyes and ears, constantly alert to any potential hazards. They know when to tread lightly, when to pause, and when to forge ahead. Their vigilance is our assurance, but they are more than just our protectors. They are also our educators. The Amazon is a living, breathing classroom, teeming with lessons about the intricate web of life. Our guides, with their extensive understanding of the ecosystem, unravel these mysteries for us. They show us the symbiotic relationships that exist between plants and animals, explain the medicinal properties of various flora, and teach us about the ingenious survival tactics of different species. Their narratives breathe life into the scenery, transforming our journey into an immersive learning experience. Moreover, our guides are the advocates for respect for the environment. They help us understand the delicate balance of the Amazon and our impact on it. They remind us of our responsibility to tread lightly, to leave no trace, and to respect the home of countless species. They instill in us a sense of stewardship, a commitment to preserving this extraordinary ecosystem for future generations. Our guides' knowledge and skills, therefore, significantly enhance the overall experience of the trip. They transform a daunting journey into an inspiring adventure, a trip into a tale, a spectacle into a story. Without them, we wouldn't just be physically lost. We would miss out on the deeper understanding and appreciation of this remarkable world. Without our guide, the Amazon would remain an enigma for many. As the sun sets on the Amazon, our guide's journey is far from over. The tapestry of the Amazon is an ever-changing one, and our guide navigates this vast expanse with the skill of a seasoned explorer. Each day, she steps into the dense wilderness, armed with knowledge and a deep-rooted passion for this exotic realm. Her journey so far has been nothing short of incredible, a testament to her dedication and the love she harbors for the Amazon. She's led countless tours, each one a new chapter in her ever-evolving story. She's seen the awe on the faces of first-time visitors, shared laughter and stories around the campfire, and watched the sun rise and set over the rainforest countless times. Yet each day brings something new, something unexpected. Each new sunrise is a promise of discovery, and each sunset a completion of another day's journey into the unknown. Her accomplishments are many, and they echo in the rustling leaves and the flowing rivers of the Amazon. She's not just a guide, but a storyteller, an educator, a friend. She's bridged the gap between man and nature, sparking a connection that resonates with each individual she encounters. But her journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. As she continues to lead, she continues to learn. Each tour is a new opportunity for growth, for understanding. Her dreams for the future are as vast as the Amazon itself. She dreams of a time when every individual understands the importance of preserving this beautiful wild place. She dreams of a world where the Amazon is not just seen as a tourist destination, but as an integral part of our planet's ecosystem. And so, as the sun sets, casting long shadows over the Amazon, she prepares for another day, a day filled with new challenges, new discoveries, and new stories to tell. In the heart of the Amazon, our guide continues to unravel the mysteries of the rainforest one tour at a time.